All right guys, today I'm going to show you how to switch out your visor on your Biltwell Lane Splitter helmet. So stay tuned. All right, so everything you're going to need your new visor, and this comes with the Series 2 mounts. And I know that my helmet is a Series 1, so I'm going to have to install these new mounts on the helmet. And the tools that I'm going to use is a screwdriver with the fatty bit, Phillips bit on the end. And the old visor mounts are held in by like a double-sided tape, so you have to lightly pry on it. But I'm going to try to be careful so I don't mar up the helmet. But if you have a tool that's a little bit softer, like made out of plastic, that'd be best suited for this. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to take out these two Phillips head screws. You're going to save your hardware. Alright, then you're going to pop your old face shield off. And we won't be reusing these. And you want to kind of lightly pry up on these, kind of get them to separate. And it's going to leave a little bit of residue on there. Clean that up. All right, I'm going to clean up this residue off this helmet. Then I'll get back with you guys on the install. All right, got the helmet all cleaned up. These new pieces that come with the Series 2 helmet has a little post here. Post goes here in the hole. And then this piece also has a small little post, and it goes over here in this hole. Now repeat that on the other side, and then you're ready to put your visor on. All right, after you get those installed, it's time to put the visor on. And to put your old hardware back in. All right, I'm gonna tighten those up, then I'll be right back. All right, after you get your hardware tightened back up, the best part is peeling off this tape. And that's how you install a new visor on a Biltwell Lane Splitter helmet. Thanks.